Hey guys, what's up? We're going to be trying chicken dum biryani. It's 650 rupees. So we have raita over here and we have the main dum biryani. So let's get some on the plate and let's start eating. So let's see. I hope we don't mess this up. Let me just grab this entire bowl. Okay. So I can see some chicken over here. So I will just do the entire biryani over here, and I'm gonna see how it's going to taste. So we have the chicken over here, and I'm still putting the entire biryani. Ooh, it's so hot. I just feel as if we're in India, guys. Everybody speaks Hindi, even when they're not in India. So I don't know if you can see these parts of chicken. So I think we have enough. Let me do this. So this is a dum biryani. As you can see, we have, let me do this. This is the chicken. These are pieces of chickens. So let's dig in. Wait, they gave us this. So I haven't yet washed my hands, but I think I'm just gonna start eating like that because we have some wipes, so we'll clean up. So this is the biryani. So guys, here is our biryani. Let's try. Wow, it's so good. Here's the cheese. So please pardon me if you hear any sounds in the background. There are some constructions going on at this restaurant, so pardon me with the bad sound that will be coming in. Maybe the chicken. Wow. बहुत स्वीट डिश है. Okay. It's so hot. The spices are so medium. I just love the way they make the Hydrabadi style. You mix this up. You grab one piece of the chicken. Oh my gosh. You grab this. You mix it up. Just the way Indian food is. And this one doesn't have green chutney. The other one I tried, which was just normal biryani, the chicken biryani, it had green chutney. We are just given the raita, but that other one had green chutney and the raita as well, and some stuff which were like carrots, like spicy carrots. Then, like, I just love this other taste. It's very good. Swadeshi. Indian food is good, man. If you watch my videos and you don't try, please try this chicken dum biryani. So let's try some raita and see how the raita is, if it's sour or not. I think I'm just gonna grab the spoon with it. Let's see. So the raita, I think it's a little bit sour. It has some salt in it, but the flavor is good. and my Dum Biryani. The flavor is just absolutely great. I love it. So we grab the chicken again. We try it. Just so good. You do this, you make it like this, you grab again, you put it inside, and it's very affordable. So it only costs about 140 kwacha, which is I think 652 rupees, somewhere there, Indian rupees. So fancy dining. So let me keep digging with the right as well, because my hand is dirty, so I don't know if I should continue with this. Wow. The right is just helping with the kicking of the spices, like the heat it brings up with the right. Everything's going well, guys. Next time we have to try some lassi. They told me they make lassi, so next time we'll try some lassi. This is one of my favorite restaurants here, like in Chingola, in the Copperbelt province in Zambia. So for those who are wondering, I'm not in India because I am getting very good Indian food here. So the restaurant name is Zyka Multi Cuisines Restaurant. That's where you get this good meals, guys. Very good. Wow. The portion is so insane. I don't know if I'm gonna finish everything. We mix it up. We have put the chicken. You know, when you're eating with hands, I think like it just helps you like grow more with the culture. Like Zambians, we eat with hands at times, so also Indian, I guess you just have to eat with hands. I just love it when you're eating with hands. Like with the spoon, I think it just like separates you from the like culture and everything. Like it just separates you. So I prefer like using my hands because it helps me like go with the culture, blend in. So very good. Both achi hai. Okay. So I saw some of you guys just said I need to try dar charva. I don't know what that is yet, but if any of you can just explain to me in the comments what dar charva is. Is it charva? Charva? I don't know. Can you explain for me what that is? And I'll have to try it. Wow. बहुत टेस्टी है. So this is the only remaining portion I have remained with, and I'm gonna put it over here. Wow. Last portion of the day. Let's put some raita inside, because the sourness is just helping like to reduce the amount of chili. So Let me just put this over here. Yeah. So let's see. Last piece of chicken. Plus this half. I don't think it's a quarter, I guess. So let's put it together. And guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I saw a lot of you guys who watch my videos do not subscribe. So please, if you like them, subscribe. You'll be helping me so much as well. Let me finish it up so quickly. The only issue is that it's very hot, so I can't eat it up so fast. But overall, the taste is very good. The biryani is very good. Hyderabadi style. Wow. Oh my gosh. My biryani is done. We gotta clean it up. Yeah, I think it's enough. So guys, I just tried chicken dum biryani and it was very good, and I hope you guys, you might try this food as well. Please try it, it's very good. And wow, I'm so amazed, I'm very speechless. I'm out of words. The biryani was damn good. Bahut tasty hai. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to visit Zyka restaurant if you are here in Zambia. It's in Chingola, Copperbelt province. You find great Indian food, Chinese, and Zambian. Yeah. Okay, Harvida.